You hear them? They keep going. They're going back and forth, ringing their phones. Oh, they go. There you are. Phone ringing. Oh, stupid cars. They're in there somewhere. Good night, crickets. Oh, I can't believe I'm like squirrelies. I gotta go. They didn't have any critter food at the hardware store I went, so I'm gonna probably have to go back to the One Pill or the pill hardware store in Central, or just look up online what squirrels like to eat and just carry that in my bag. Yes, my little squirrelies, they're so cute. Yes, they're my little lovies. All the squirrelies of the neighborhood, they love me. Oh, yeah, I bet. I seen 4 squirrelies today.